Welcome to my course. Thank you for enrolling my course, and I hope that you will enjoy to showing these videos, and in the same time please practice all the steps of project that I will present. This will be better than just watching, and I'm happy to help you to practice AutoCAD and answer to your questions. But please, that will be clear questions, so to that be easy for me to answer in it. And please, if you like the course, give me the chance to have 5 or 4 stars. If not, please tell me the reason. So I'm waiting for your comments, so let's start the course.